7 fruits you should avoid if you're diabetic. If you're managing diabetes, it's important to know that not all fruits are created equal. Some fruits may be healthy, but they are also packed with sugar that can spike your blood sugar levels. In this video, we're going to reveal 7 fruits that you should avoid or limit in your diet if you're living with diabetes. Let's dive in. Save this video before it disappears. First on our list is the sweet, juicy mango. While it's delicious, mangoes are loaded with natural sugars that can cause a significant spike in blood sugar levels. If you're craving mango, try having a small portion and pair it with protein or fiber to help slow the sugar absorption. Next up, grapes. These little guys may seem harmless, but they pack a punch when it comes to sugar content. Grapes have a high glycemic index, meaning they can quickly raise your blood sugar. Enjoy them in moderation or opt for lower sugar fruits. Cherries might be small, but don't let that fool you. They're another fruit with a high sugar content, and even a handful can lead to a rapid blood sugar spike. So if you're diabetic, be mindful of how many cherries you're popping into your mouth. Bananas are a convenient and filling snack, but they're also high in carbs and sugar, especially when they're fully ripe. The riper the banana, the more sugar it contains. If you can't resist, try to stick to a smaller portion size. Up next is pineapple. It's sweet, tropical, and packed with sugar. Eating pineapple can cause your blood sugar to rise rapidly, so this is one fruit you should limit or avoid if you're managing diabetes. Watermelon may be hydrating, but it also comes with a high glycemic index. That means it can cause a quick rise in blood sugar, even though it's mostly water. If you love watermelon, try keeping portions small and balanced with other low GI foods. Last but not least, we've got lychees. These exotic fruits are super sweet, which is why they can be risky for diabetics. The high sugar content in lychees can lead to rapid glucose spikes, so they're best enjoyed in very small quantities. So there you have it, 7 fruits you should avoid or limit if you're diabetic. Remember, it's all about balance and portion control. You don't have to eliminate these fruits completely, but being mindful of how much you eat can make a big difference in managing your blood sugar. Did any of these fruits surprise you? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more tips to help you live your healthiest life.